session that will talk about adding credits and timings. So what you want to do is you're going to go to the last slide and you're going to go to the home option at the top and you're going to choose new slide. Now I'm just going to choose the title only slide, and I might come in and type special thanks, and then I'm going to hit the enter key maybe twice, and then I'm going to go to that citing document that you should have been maintaining for this project. So I'm going to go ahead and select all of those that should be credited. With that selected, I can right click and choose copy or Control C for copy. Now I'll go ahead and do Control V, or I can right click and choose edit paste. And there you have it. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drag this all the way down so that I can see special thanks. And what you might need to do is if you click on that little box to move it, you can barely see it, you can click on the arrow keys of your keyboard, the ones that go up, down, right, and left, and that will also move it down because we want to be able to see special thanks. There we go. Now I'm going to also center it. So click on the center alignment, and now it's centered. You might want to take the fonts here and make it like something that's not so bold. So special thanks will be bold, while the cites will be of a non-bold font. So I'll go ahead and right click and choose something that isn't so bold. Let's go ahead and try so many choices. Cambria. And I might make it a little smaller maybe, because I want special thanks to be a little bolder. So now I'm going to, with that selected, as you can see towards the bottom, you can see that I have the box selected. Now you want to go to animation, then choose custom animation, add effect on entrance, and one of my favorites is definitely credits. So I'm going to go ahead and locate credits in these choices. There it is. And I'll say OK. Let's go ahead and hit the play button so you can see what's going on. So notice how it's kind of delayed before it gets up there. That's an easy fix. I'll stop that. How you could fix that is selecting that box and using the arrow key to push it up a little. Let's test it again. Again, that needs to be further up. So you might want to play with it till you get the timings right. So I think I got it. Go ahead and hit the play button so you can see what's going on. And that's pretty good timings. We are now ready to add timings. The purpose of timings is to set it up so that no one has to click on the mouse, that it will automatically play throughout the entire presentation. So to set up the timings, go ahead and click on the first slide and then go to slideshow and choose Rehearse Timings. The minute you click on that, you need to start clicking the mouse. So go ahead and start clicking. Give a few seconds for them to be able to read it, and then go to the next slide. I don't know if you could hear the mouse as I click. Give a few seconds for people to be able to read it, but not too long because they will get bored. Give them time to read and appreciate those beautiful images. Now this might take some time. You may have to do it more than once to make sure that it goes really smoothly. You don't want too much time and you don't want too little time. So it can be really tricky. And here comes the credits. So you'll let this take its course, and there's going to be a window that pops up. You really want to pay attention to that window. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and click End, and this window pops up, and it says the total time for the slideshow was 1 minute and 24 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and write that down, 1 minute 24. Now, I was not happy with the results, so I'm going to actually go back and redo my timings because I am a perfectionist. You want to keep doing this until you get it right. Do take note of the minutes and seconds that pop up so that you can get music to fade out as soon as the presentation is ending. So this concludes the session on setting up credits and timings for your presentation. The next lesson should be the conclusion on adding music. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.